Welcome to today's episode, and thank you so very much for your support. And before we begin our lesson, take some time to subscribe in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And once again, thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. Guys, remember from our previous video, we learned that due to scarcity of resources, individuals, firms, government, workers have to make choices. And these choices, we said, they involve an opportunity cost. Therefore, today we want to focus on this opportunity cost. We want to know what opportunity cost is, how it affects individuals, how it affects firms, how it affects workers, and how it also affects the government. Now let's see. Opportunity cost refers to the next best alternative foregone when making choices. Now in this case, if I may use a diagram here, so let's assume this is hours of work, and these are wages, for instance, and we have that line that way. Okay, so let's assume $10, $20. Let's assume 3 hours, 6 hours there. Sorry, let this be leisure instead of work. Okay? Now, if an individual is moving from point X to point Y, then that means they are moving down along that curve, and the effect will be an increase in hours of leisure at the expense of wage. Clearly, this means that if we decide to have 3 extra hours of leisure, that is 6, take away 3, that will mean we will have to sacrifice this much, that is 20, take away 10. So 10 hours of, with $10. Okay? So for us to get 3 extra hours of leisure, then we have to sacrifice $10. The reverse movement from Y to X is also true. Meaning, if we work 3 extra hours, that is 6 minus 3, then that means we are able to earn $10 extra. So clearly, what we are trying to say there is that there is always a sacrifice. There is always a sacrifice made. So the sacrifice is the opportunity cost. Now, to individuals, let's assume I have a choice of buying a car, a house, or let's say a television. Assuming this is my order of preference, I prefer car, top priority, to house, to TV. So in this case, if I purchase the car, the next best option that I'll have to forego will be the house. So the opportunity cost of buying a car is the house. If we have 2 items, let's assume car and TV, and an individual decides to purchase the TV, the car is the opportunity cost. If the individual decides to purchase the car, then they are sacrificing the TV. Therefore, the opportunity cost of buying car is TV and vice versa. So this is to individuals. Now, firms also face the concept of opportunity cost. For instance, a firm may be involved in a situation where they have to make a decision between purchasing machine A or machine B. If they purchase machine A, then that means they are giving up machine B. Therefore, the opportunity cost of buying machine A is machine B. Government can also face the concept of opportunity cost. Let's assume government has several options. Let's say to build roads. Second option, hospitals, public hospitals. Third option, let's say public schools. The opportunity cost of building roads is hospitals, and so on and so forth. Employees also can be faced with the concept of opportunity cost. An employee may be at a situation where they want to take job in company A, maybe because company A pays good salary, or company B, which has very many fringe benefits. Now, in such a situation, if the employee decides to work with company B, then company A becomes the opportunity cost. Now let's move on and talk about the other practical examples of opportunity cost. To households, whenever they are making spending decisions, they have to incur opportunity cost. For instance, your parents have made a decision of paying school fees for you. It's not without a sacrifice, guys. They have sacrificed other things. Maybe purchasing a house for you to get education. Thank you so much. See you next lesson. And please don't forget to leave a comment if you have a question or even input. Thank you.